All right, you guys, we have here an American Ford Classic. This is a 600 series. These were made back in the 1950s. It's held up really well since then. Right here, you got your 3-point hitch with a PTO drive. The 3-point hitch does go up and down. It is functional. Right there, you got your original steering wheel and original seat. This is powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, which is really nice. There are your gauges right there. This thing does have unknown hours, but it drives really well and really smooth, which is something you guys are going to see in just a second. Let you guys take a look at her. It's really nice for its age. Let you guys hear that engine. And we are going to give you guys a demonstration of it running.